also in Latin American dances, what is very, very different from other dances. We use a compressed rhythm. So what it means, so every time we have to do that compressing feel in our body through the whole body to show the beats, especially rumba, any dance. Compressed rhythm. We don't use a straight rhythm to show the music, or we don't use the elevated rhythm like a ballet. We use compressed rhythm. So I want you, when you dance your choreography or practice your basic, always keep in your mind that idea that we are trying to show compressed rhythm. So the energy always towards the floor, always compressing, always breathing in this way, in a compressed way. So we go compressed, compressed, compressed. So now we do time step. You compress into your leg. It's compressed rhythm. And 3,